Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you the website Canva. If you're interested in using this website to create a piece of artwork, this is a fun digital platform that you can use. It has all kinds of pre-made things, flyers, posters, postcards that you can use down here at the bottom. It saves all of your designs. You guys have an account, so it'll save any design that you create. Or you can just start with a blank canvas and do up here, there's a purple button that says create a design. So I'm going to start there and I can do poster, flyer, presentation, logo. I mean, you can see like there's a huge choice for what you might want to work on. I'm going to work on a postcard today. So I'm going to select postcard and it will just create a blank postcard for me. There are templates that you can use that will pop up right away. So if you have a template that you see in here that you'd like to try, you're welcome to try that. All of your toolbar is over here on the left side, and there are lots of things to work on. Obviously, we would start with a background, so I'm going to select a background. They have all of these things to choose from: landscapes, patterns, gradients, abstract, food. I mean, you name it. You can do a search for if you have something specific that you want to use in your background. I think I'm going to take a look at gradients. So I'll click on that and that'll pull up all of my options here to choose from. I'm going to pick, let's see. Maybe something nice and relaxing, like some clouds for my background here. Looks like some clouds and a little mountain peak sticking up here up in the sky. I like that background, so I think I'll stick with that. You can also do individual colors if you want to do colors. There's lots of options here. And if you want to search for something, again, you can type in the search bar for whatever you want to look for. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some pictures, and I can do that. I can upload my own picture. There's uploads here. So you can see pictures that I've uploaded and used in projects. Okay. And you can also search photos. They have a huge bank of photos that you can use in here. And again, you can search for anything. There's lots of themes at the top if you're looking for something specific. Let's say for mine, maybe I want to use the globe. I could click the globe and have the globe floating in the sky. You can adjust the size here for whatever size you might like to use. We have elements, we have shapes. Here, there's lots of really cool things that you can do. The frames are pretty awesome, and I want to show you the frames because this is something that's really unique. Shapes are typical. There's stickers. There's all kinds of stuff that you can check out. Grids, which will your picture will go into the form of the grid. So let me show you these for a second. So if I choose a picture frame that I want to use, that means this will appear on the screen. So let's say I want a cloud shape. I'm going to stick a cloud shape up here like this, right in front of my earth. Maybe move my earth over for right now. And in my cloud, I want to insert a picture. This is really fun. Check this out. I'm going to stick a cat in my picture. Whoops. You delete that. Okay. So I'm going to hover over that picture, that frame that I put in there, and release, and it actually compresses into the frame and into the shape of the frame. And so that's a really fun tool that you can do on here. And there's also a text tool on here. And with the text tool, you can do headings, you can do subheadings, or if you want to put a little body of a text in here. So let's say I find a really cool quote that I would like to include. And I'm going to type kindness matters. Add some quotations in here. Okay, kindness matters. I want to mess with this a little bit. Maybe change my font. Maybe make it larger. So you can see, like, really, you can pretty much do anything in here that you would do in a Google document. Anything that you want to add, anything that you want to change, you can change color. So then you see, like, for whatever I'm working on, the toolbar appears up at the top here. You can change position of things. You can copy things if you want to make like a second earth, or transparency. Remember, we've used transparency in Google Drawings already. Any of these things that you can do in Google, you can do in here, but you've got a lot of options that you can include in your project. Another really cool thing that you can do, and I do want to show you this one, is, let's say, and I had one yesterday that I did, so let me see if I can find it. I'm not finding the one that I used yesterday. Hold on, because it was actually a really good example of this. Well, let's try it with the monkey for a second. So let's say I have this here and I decide I want to use this picture, but I just want the monkey. I don't want the green background that's here. You can actually remove the background. And if I go to effects, you get this background remover. I can click on that. Now, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. There we go. And now all I have left is the monkey. I got rid of whatever was behind him, and I can place him, oops, grab him wherever I want on my picture plane. And I know I'm kind of putting random things together in this picture, but I just want you guys to see kind of how the tools work. If you have any other questions or you want to see any other tools, you're welcome to ask Miss Brewster and we will help you figure out where the tools are and what you want to do. Okay? Have fun with this. It's a really awesome web page, and you can really create some really cool stuff in here. When you're finished with your project, it will automatically save to Canva, and your project saves as it is, so you can just go back in and rework it. You can download your pictures, so you can hit download, save it as a PNG or a JPEG. I would recommend, if you're going to continue to work it, you save it as a PNG. If you're done with it, you can save it as a JPEG. Hit download, and it will save right to your file folder for you. Okay? All right, guys, have a good time with this. Explore, play, create some really awesome things in Canva.